Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. We have here the Zastone ZT M10 and I'll be showing you one of the features of the Zastone ZT M10. So let's turn on the radio. So as you can see, the Zastone welcome logo. Okay, so let's try to transmit. This is the station of Delta Whiskey number 3 Victor Tango Lima. Again, DW3 VTL testing the Zastone ZT M10. Testing on 1, 2, 3. So after I transmit, let's try to push this button right below the PTT number 2. Okay.
Playback for 10 seconds.
This is the station of Delta Whiskey number 3 Victor Tango Lima. Again, DW3 VTL testing the Zastone ZT M10. Testing on 1, 2, 3. Okay, fellow hams, as you hear, there is a recorder playback feature of the Zastone ZT M10. Okay, let's try to listen on the other radio. So we have here the Zastone ZT M9
channel mode, frequency mode.
So let's try to monitor on both frequency.
4, 8, 0.
If we can hear the radio or the recorder playback. Okay, so let's try.
Playback for 10 seconds.
This is the station of Delta Whiskey number 3 Victor Tango Lima. Again, DW3 VTL testing the Zastone ZT M10. Testing on 1, 2, 3. So as you see and you hear, fellow hams, there's no any transmission via radio frequency when we use the record playback of the Zastone ZT M10. So that's it for now, fellow hams, and in some videos I will show you some features, other features of the Zastone ZT M10. That's it for now, fellow hams. Thank you, 73, and mabuhay.